Before you strike an arc on cast iron, there's one step you can't skip: thorough surface preparation. Cast iron is famously difficult to weld. Its high carbon content and tendency to absorb oil make it a challenge. Surface issues like carbon smear and thick oxide scale are the primary causes of brittle welds and fusion failure. To solve this, professional welders turn to Carbide Burr tools. They are essential for a clean, deep weld. These tools come in many shapes: ball, cone, and cylinder, each designed for specific joint geometries. They are designed to cut through tough material aggressively, removing contaminants rather than just pushing them around. Scale is a thin, hard layer of oxidized metal. If you weld over it, you're trapping impurities in your bead. A carbide burr clears this layer with ease, revealing the bright, virgin metal underneath for perfect fusion. Clean edges are absolutely critical. Any residue left behind will almost certainly cause porosity. A key tip: carbide burrs cut the metal, whereas abrasive wheels tend to smear the graphite in cast iron. This cutting action prevents graphite flakes from spreading across the surface, which would otherwise block your weld. To get the best results, keep your tool speed high. High RPMs allow the burr to chip away material efficiently. When repairing cracks, use your carbide burr to create a proper U-shaped or V-shaped groove. A wide U-groove provides much better access for your filler metal and helps manage the heat input. If you're brazing, surface cleanliness is even more vital. The alloy needs a clean surface for capillary action. Never forget that cast iron is porous. It can soak up oil and grease like a sponge over time. Always degrease the part thoroughly with a solvent before you start any grinding or burring. After burring, inspect the metal. It should be uniform and bright across the entire prep area. Proper preparation drastically reduces the risk of stress cracks by ensuring a consistent heat sink. When your fusion is uniform, the inevitable cooling stresses are distributed more evenly through the part. Observe how easily the filler flows on a surface that has been properly prepped with a carbide tool. A quick word on safety: carbide burrs throw tiny, razor-sharp needles of metal at very high speeds. A full face shield and heavy-duty gloves are mandatory whenever you're using these rotary tools. Keep your burrs clean. Metal loading in the flutes causes friction and can lead to overheating. In summary, use high RPMs, clean with solvent first, and always use carbide over abrasives for cast iron. The extra time you spend on preparation will save you hours of rework and frustration later. A professional repair starts with a professional approach to the surface you're working on. Master these prep techniques, and you'll be able to tackle even the toughest cast iron repairs. Prepare it right, weld it once, and make sure your work stands the test of time. Thanks for watching. Now get out there and start prepping those surfaces correctly.